Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for managing your money in 2025. Today's video is all about how to deposit money from Venmo to Chime. If you're tired of juggling multiple apps and want a seamless way to move your funds, you're in the right place. This process is super straightforward, but we'll cover everything step by step to make sure you get it right the first time. First off, why would you want to do this? Venmo is great for quick payments with friends, but Chime offers awesome features like no overdraft fees and early direct deposit. Transferring money between them keeps your finances organized and accessible. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Venmo app and make sure you're logged in. If you haven't already, update the app to the latest 2025 version for any new security features. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfer or Move Money section. This is usually found in the menu at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see options for your linked banks. Step 3. If Chime isn't already linked, go to Settings or Banks and Cards in Venmo. You'll need to add your Chime account. This might involve entering your Chime debit card details or logging in via Plaid for secure verification. Remember, always use a secure Wi-Fi connection for this. Step 4. Once linked, select Chime as the destination for your transfer. Enter the amount you want to deposit, double-check for accuracy to avoid mistakes. Step 5. Review the transfer details, including any potential fees. In 2025, most transfers are instant or take just a few minutes, but keep an eye out for bank holidays or limits. Step 6. Hit Confirm and authenticate with your Venmo PIN, fingerprint, or whatever security method you have set up. Boom! You're done. The money should appear in your Chime account shortly. A quick tip. Always monitor your accounts for any unauthorized transactions, and if you run into issues, both Venmo and Chime have excellent customer support. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.